Hi, come here, Trout. Say hi. Now we can add dead rodents in the refrigerator. Right? Yeah. Waiting for, yeah, somebody to eat them. Because I don't want to just leave them in the mudroom for the animals, because that would be gross. Because again, construction, and it's hot, although it's not hot today. Anyway, there are dead rodents in my refrigerator waiting for the right raccoon to come in so I can give him a little meaty snack. Taracat's Wild Kingdom. Right? Hey, Trout. Trout says sure. Just give me my treats. Give me my treats. I'll share with them. Right?